Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning the Baleno Delta ignition to accessory or run so the infotainment system initializes. Make sure the screen is awake. On your phone, open Bluetooth and set it to discoverable. This allows pairing. Once done, remove other Bluetooth headphones or speakers nearby to avoid interference. You want the phone and car within 1 to 2 meters for a stable initial connection. This step speeds discovery and prevents the system from searching for already paired devices. You tap Menu, then Settings, and open the Bluetooth section on the Baleno Delta display. Select Add Device or Pair New Device so the system begins scanning. When your phone name appears on the car screen, choose it. Your phone will show the car's Bluetooth name as well. Make sure the PIN shown on both devices matches, then confirm on both the infotainment and your phone. This mutual confirmation secures the link and authorizes audio, contacts, and media access. You finalize by enabling call and media permissions for the Baleno in your phone's Bluetooth profile so music and hands-free calling work. If the connection fails, clear previous pairings on both the car and phone and repeat pairing. Residual entries often block new links. Once paired, test a call and play music. If audio is missing, toggle media or phone audio off and back on, and reboot the infotainment or phone as a reliable troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.